If you're a beginner copywriter or business owner, learning how to write website copy can feel overwhelming, especially if you're sitting in front of the computer, staring at a blank screen or blinking cursor with no idea what to write. But don't worry, writing website copy is an art that you can absolutely learn, and I'm here to help you out. Working as a copywriter for 20 years, I've perfected an 8-point checklist that ensures website copy doesn't just sound good, but also sells. It's the same checklist that I use when writing copy for my clients, and today I'm sharing it with you. Ready to write website copy that sells? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is website copywriting? Well, also known as website content. It's the words used on a website that engages visitors and persuades them to take action, whether that action is buying a product, a service, or subscribing to a newsletter. Why is website copywriting important? Here are 3 reasons why. Firstly, well-written website copy sells your products or services. Secondly, website copy improves your SEO and helps you rank on Google. Thirdly, website copy helps a business stand out in a crowded digital marketplace. Now that we've covered the basics of website copywriting, let's dive into the checklist. Number 1, does the headline clearly communicate what the web page is about in 3 seconds? If the headline is confusing or vague, people won't stick around to figure out what it means. Your headline needs to answer the same 3 questions that every visitor is thinking, and those are: what is the website about? What can I do here? And is this what I'm looking for? If your headline doesn't answer those 3 questions, then visitors will leave and may never return. Number 2, what action do you want visitors to take on your webpage? Do you want them to contact you, buy a product, or request a quote? Most websites overwhelm people by having way too many options, so you need to decide on the primary action that you want visitors to take. Now, you can have a couple of call to actions, but I recommend creating a bright colored call to action button that clearly communicates what you want your visitors to do next. Then include that button at the top, middle, and bottom sections of your web page so that it won't be missed. Doing this can dramatically increase your website's conversion rate. Number 3, does the website copy address the target audience's problems, challenges, and desires? When you show visitors that you understand their problems, they feel heard, and you build trust and rapport with them. And once you've done that, the visitors will start looking for a solution, and that's when you can present the product or service as a solution to their problems or challenges. Number 4, have you included relevant keywords naturally throughout the copy? If you want the website to rank on the first page of Google, then you need to include the right keywords within the website copy, especially in the headings, alt text, and body copy. You need to do this in a natural way. Otherwise, it's considered keyword stuffing, which could get your website blacklisted by Google. Number 5, is the website copy easy to understand? I recommend writing at a 5th grade reading level so that everyone in your audience, even the sophisticated people, will understand. If the copy is full of jargon or difficult to understand words, then people won't understand what your website is about, and people that don't understand don't buy things. Number 6, can your website copy be read by the scanners and scrollers? 70% of website visitors don't actually read, they scan and scroll the page. I'm sure you've done it yourself, so your copy needs to be formatted to appeal to the majority, the scanners and scrollers. So forget about big, chunky walls of text that no one reads. Break up your copy into short sentences and thin paragraphs. Include headings throughout the page that summarize each of those content blocks. Number 7, does your copy include authentic images of real people? Many stock images are overused and don't make a good first impression as people have seen them before. And that's why it's important to include real photos of you, your team, your clients, or customers throughout the page instead of cheesy stock images. Number 8, does the website copy focus more on the benefits than the features? Remember, features tell, but benefits sell. People don't buy a drill, they buy the ability to hang beautiful paintings on their walls so they can feel good whenever they enter in the room, or impress their family and friends. One simple way to turn boring features into irresistible benefits is to ask yourself which means after every feature. For example, the iPod music player has a 4GB battery, which means 1,000 songs in your pocket. Now, you can find a link to this website copywriting checklist in the description below this video. And if you'd like more copywriting tips, then I invite you to join my free weekly newsletter. Link in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.